Hey everyone, so we're going to be doing a video testing out the BINIZE Android box. This system is going to be for my 2020 Toyota 4Runner. The company sent me out this unit to get reviewed, so let's go ahead and give it a shot. There, and it looks like what's included is going to be a USB-C cable, USB-C to USB-C, or if your car has a USB-C-A to USB-C, that's there for you. In my case, I'll be using the USB-C-A to the USB-C input to the box right there. All right, so we have the BINIZE Android box here. I'm just going to go ahead and get this plugged in right here. And this only will work with vehicles that have Apple CarPlay already in the factory unit. So basically, my 4Runner, usually the 2020 and above, has the CarPlay already in the factory unit. So this will not work with a unit that is below 2020s for the 4Runner. So, like I said, it will not work if you do not have Apple CarPlay on your stock head unit. So let's go ahead and get this powered up. And